Hello everyone and welcome back to my drawing guides that I make every day. Today I want to revisit the dungeon walls and just add a little lesson on how to add stairs, adjacent stairs to these walls. So check out this video if you haven't seen it, and I'm just going to jump right into the stairs. Oh, excuse the microphone cable. Okay, we'll start with our example grid, just for demonstration purposes. Some nice big imprecise squares. We're going to put, oh, get out the way, microphone cable, our wall. So, when you're drawing your wall, draw in your top. So hold on a second, let's explain this. So this here will be our wall boundary slash the bottom of the wall. And we're not going to draw that in yet. We're in fact going to start with the top of the wall, which is going to be halfway up here. If you don't understand how, it's because you didn't listen to me and go read that video. How one should read a video, I don't know. But that's the top of the wall. Next, I'm going to figure out that our stairway is going to be 2 tiles wide, these 2 tiles in fact, and it's going to go up in this direction. So, this corner being the bottom, these corners, this edge being the bottom of our staircase, it's going to go up 2 tiles to our left and connect up here, halfway up this square, meaning this one is going to connect halfway up here. So, a responsible artist might use a ruler. We're going to draw a drafting line with our drafting pencil, connecting these two. Next, we're going to throw in our actual stairs, which I do by chopping this in half, this square in half, and this one too. And then we're going to chop these shapes in half too. And voila, we have our stair steps. Next step is, starting at the bottom, we're going to take this corner and draw it horizontally to join here. Next, this corner, draw it horizontally, this one horizontally, this one here, 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 just creating our steps. And we'll do the same here. This is going to go here. From this corner, horizontally, that's going to connect there, horizontally there, horizontally there. And if you've practiced drawing stairs a couple times, you can skip this in the drafting process and jump straight into the inking. But for completeness sake, we're going to draw the whole thing in. And then with your big boy pen, we're going to basically ink in these lines which we've drafted. Now, as usual, we're going to draw the most elevated lines in thick and kind of taper it down to a thin line right at the bottom. So this one's going to be thickest of all. This one's probably the top 3 I'll draw thick. And then start tapering around about here. Taper, taper, taper. And when we get down to here, you should be using the same line width that the bottom of your wall is going to have. And in fact, now that the stairway is in, we can throw that in there. At this point, you can continue with your wall texture. Check out the other video for that. But your stairwell is pretty much done. You can add in some texture, some dashes, dots, and you can add in some individual bricks. I like to do that. just scatter them around randomly. And you know, you can add in some cross-hatching here just for some like ambient occlusion shadow. And of course, if you have your dungeon floor, that will wrap around here. I'm going to go ahead and fill in this wall for my thumbnail, my YouTube thumbnail. But as for the stairs, that's pretty much done, isn't it? And doesn't it look quite nice? Ooh, I've done a no-no and I forgot my bottom line. So we're just going to chop this up and call that, pretend we did that on purpose. Oh, and of course, a little bit of cross-hatching up here. But right now you're just watching me draw. I've pretty much finished teaching anything, so you're welcome to click off the video, but please do remember to leave a comment if there's any topic you'd like me to discuss, and I'll get to that. I do try my best to release these daily, so I need plenty of topics, please. This stairwell, in fact, was a topic requested by one of you lovely viewers, so just goes to show I am reading those comments and I appreciate them. Yeah, so that's done. What shall we do with this edge here of the stairs? Well, pretty much repeat our wall, because this will be a horizontal surface. I'm just going to do 2 layers here, 2 layers of bricks. And that means, of course, on this side you can have floor, and your wall might continue this way. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's going to look. And my thumbnail's finished, so thanks for watching me draw up my YouTube thumbnail. How's that? 2 tutorials for the price of 1. And there you have it. Some nice stairs. Okay, I'm just drawing for the sake of it now. But that there is a bunch of stairs, and I hope you've learned something today. Please leave that comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.